This is the trading review for the 19th of August 2022. uh, I was more focused that day, and I did notice that DKNG had a. I took only one trade, and I did notice that DKNG was very bearish, and we had a lot of stacks on the ladder at the level 2, and we had an outside day, and wait, was it an inside day? No, the pivots were a bit ambiguous. We had a very bearish level 2, so I tried to make an entry as soon as we broke down from S4. Uh, I waited for the breakdown of the S4 level, and I tried to make an entry on a pullback. It wasn't exactly at the break of 1870, but it was close enough for me at least. Um, we had a dangerous pullback to our stop loss, but we managed to stay in the trade, and we had some weird price action as well. There was a lot of buyers, but luckily I decided to just get allowed at this level at a little bit at 2.1, which is our daily goal, daily target, especially on a Friday. And after having such a rough week, I'm very happy with that. I could have traded Apple on the short side as well, but time's of the essence. So I didn't have a chance to trade Apple, but I just had one trade on DKNG, and I'm very happy about it. Um, DKNG actually reversed from the 1840 level and returned to $19. So we got the most out of the trade, even with these stacks down at the level 2. But anyways, it's a good day. Um, Managed to do pretty well considering my past. We made 2.1. It was an S4 short breakout. I will say a B. We did not get the best quality entry in terms of the 5 minute candle, the 1 minute candle, but it was close enough, especially considering the price action. But it was a move that we expected, that we planned. But we need to get better at it. We could have done better. We made our entry at the break of compression, right? Yeah, it was the break of this compression. The price action was a bit up and down. But yeah, that's why our size was 111 shares for a $10 move, because the price pulled back a little bit. When I pulled the trigger, I was aiming for the break of this line, 1870, which was when I made my entry. And I think that was the only time to make the entry. Let's see, we can see so here I'm already missing out on the trade. So as soon as I see a pullback, I pull the trigger. So now I don't want to get stopped out, so I just wait for another rundown. I pull the trigger, and that's when I don't think I could have time a better entry. Maybe at 9:35, 9:40, maybe. Maybe here will be a better entry, but it's very difficult to time it, especially when the 5 minute candle close above the S4 level. So yeah, um, we did have stacks, so that's very important. We have volume signal close enough. We'll say B with no break rules, so that's a big improvement, and that's 2.1. So all of this was excellent. we did take the trade that we saw. The setup was good, and all this will be for the weekly review. I had a I had a rough week. It was a rough week, but we managed to recover. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. It's just unfortunate that my losses were bigger than my wins. That's what upsets me. But we still have more days to improve. We have 1 week and 3 days to make up the month. So all I have to do is focus entirely on the process. That's all I have to do now. So on Monday, that's what we're gonna do. It's not make entries on setups that have not formed yet, like an R3 short. If we don't have the level two to the downside yet, and we have a very bullish market, then avoid taking an R3 short. Maybe just wait and pay more attention to long entries. Maybe that's only those are the only trades that I can take. So I should be looking for those. But yeah, that's there is not much to add to the trading review other than just one trade on Friday.